Tangmala Tashle. So today we are going to learn Tibetan Lesson 10. So Tibetan Lesson 10 goal is learn you and me. How to say have and don't have. And also we use structure patterns like this X plus has la and Y, you and me. And also we can how to sentence in the structure voices, like using the first person as well as the fact sentences to use you and me. So those are the lesson goals, and then we use the structure like X comes like I, and then the la plus has possession you and me, so we say ngala nyuku you me. So this is a structure, and we will learn later. And also you can use in the fact called yak has on and yak la raju yu. So these are the structure as well as we will learn in the later sentence. So let's look at the you and the me. So you usually used in have and facts. Me it used in don't have and facts. So you and me used in the first sentence. I, we, for example, something don't have in reality facts. So let's learn the pronunciation of the you. So you ya naro yu ta yu ma ting bo me ta me. So when you are pronouncing the sentence, it comes ya naro yu ta yu, but in reality when you're speaking with others it says yu, so you barely hear the sound of ta. So yu me, yu me. So ya naro yu ta yu, ya naro yu ta yu. Have and use in the first person and facts. Ma ting bo me ta me, ma ting bo me ta me, me. First person as well as facts. It says don't have. So let's look at the yud. Ya naro yu ta yu, ya naro yu ta yu. Now it's your turn. Nice. Ya naro yu ta yu, yu. Now it's your turn. Nice. And then the structure. Nga la ki yu, nga la ki yu, nga la ki yu, nga la ki yu, nga la ki yu. Now it's your turn. Nice. Nga la ki yu, nga la ki yu, nga la ki yu. So it used in nga la ki yu, nga la ki yu. Now it's your turn. Nice. Nga la ki yu, nga la ki yu, nga la ki yu. And also used in first person plural, we say ngan cho la ki yu, ngan cho la ki yu, ngan cho la ki yu, ngan cho la ki yu. Now's your turn. Nice. Ngan cho la Ki yu. Ngan cu la ki yu. Now it's your turn. Ngan cu la ki yu. Ngan cu la ki yu. Nice, your turn. Nice. Ngan cu la ki yu. 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 Now it's your turn. Now we learn next sentence, next me. So me, it used in don't have. Or in the facts there isn't. So Martin bo me tha me. Martin bo me tha me. Me, 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 me. Now it's your turn. Nice. Me. The structure pattern is X has Y. So right now here we are using X. X hasn't Y. So in X don't have Y, or you can say X don't have one. Don't have Y. So in this kind of structure, we same X, nga, la, ki, me, nga, la, ki, me, nga la ki me, nga la ki me. Now it's your turn. Nice. Nga la ki me. Nga la ki me. Nga la ki me. I don't have a dog, right? So use in I, first person. Nga la ki me. So nga la ki me. Nga la ki me. Nga la ki me. Now it's your turn. Nice. So in the plural, nga cu la ki me. Ngan cu la ki me. Now it's your turn. Nice. Ngan cu la ki me. Ngan cu la ki me. Now it's your turn. Ngan cu la ki me. Ngan cu la ki me. Ngan cu la ki me. Now it's your turn. So right now we use in fact something doesn't have, or something have something. So we say X has Y. You can say yak la raju yu. 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 Now it's your turn. Nice. Yak la raju yu. So same, yak la raju yu. So it's a fact, right? Yak has on. So we say yak la raju yu. Raju means the on. Yak la raju yu. Yak la raju yu. Now it's your turn. Nice. So ki la rajo me. These are facts, right? Dog doesn't have on, right? So kila rajo me. Kila rajo me. Now's your turn. Kila rajo me. Now's your turn. Kila rajo me. Kila rajo me. Kila rajo me. Kila rajo me. Now's your turn. Nice. We used yes. So we use you and the main in sentence structure. So these are the sentence that we learn, and then your homework is you need to make them in the negative form. So for example, ngala ki yu. So how to use in negative form? Ngan sola ki yu. Yakla rajo yu. Kila rajo me. So here we have I have included one sentence here. So this is the one negative already. Kila rajo me. This is negative, right? So 3 of sentence that you need to make in negative form. So this is the lesson that we learn. If you have any question, send me a message. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a nice day. Kali Shugo.